if you're looking for a basic smart smoke detection system without having to break the bank with some smart functionality around it, this system is definitely worth considering. And guys, at the time of this video going live, this 3-unit system with base station is only going to cost you £80. I mean, that's a small price to pay for the safety of your home and your loved ones. What's up YouTube? Dave here with Seen Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon so you could be notified of new videos. So guys, yes, this is the XSense Link Plus Pro XS0D MR31. Okay, that's a long name, but what we're talking about here is a wirelessly connected 3-unit smoke alarm system with a base station. Now, as a scenario, picture this. Your smoke alarm goes off at 3 AM and you're half asleep, wondering if it's a real fire or just the burnt toast from last night. Well, imagine getting an instant notification on your phone the moment the smoke is detected anywhere in your home, even when you're at work or even on holiday. That's exactly what the XSense Link Plus Pro system promises to deliver. But here's the thing, smart smoke alarms usually cost a fortune. A single unit from other big name companies could set you back nearly £100, which means protecting an average home with a 3-unit system could cost you more than £300, but not the Link Plus Pro. This complete home protection system is going to cost you a mere fraction of that. Now, before we get into it, guys, XSense sent me this Link Plus Pro smoke alarm system to review in exchange for my honest opinion. And guys, you know that whatever I review, you're always going to get my honest opinion, good, bad, or indifferent. So let's get this out the box and see what we have. So guys, first up, let's open the box and see what we have. Well, I can tell you now, we've got a whole array of stuff here. We've got some paperwork, which is definitely worth a read. We also have a power adapter and a Type-C cable to power the base station. Then we have an array of fixings, more on that in just a bit. And then you get the 3 smoke alarms and the base station. And I got to tell you, at first impressions, this all looks very solid and modern. Now guys, these smoke alarms don't connect directly to your Wi-Fi network. Instead, they communicate with the SBS50 base station, which then connects to your home Wi-Fi. Now think of the base station as a translator between your smoke alarms and your smartphone. Without this base station, you're not going to get any app connectivity or smart features. Now, the base station itself is a compact square device measuring 110 by 110 millimeters. Now, it's small enough to place on a shelf or mount on a wall without taking up very much space at all. But guys, there is an important technical requirement here. It only works with 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi networks. So if you have a Wi-Fi 5, 6 or 7 router, you're going to need to make sure that your 2.4 gigahertz network is still active and discoverable. Now, most modern routers broadcast both 2.4 gigahertz and 5 gigahertz signals simultaneously, so it shouldn't really be a problem. Now guys, the smoke alarms themselves each have a test button and an LED light underneath, and that blinks every 60 seconds to show that it's working properly. During an alarm, this LED flashes bright red to provide visual confirmation along with an audio alert. Each smoke alarm runs on a single CR123A lithium battery, which are supplied and they are designed to last for around 5 years. The smoke alarms themselves have a 10-year service life, which means that you're only really going to need to replace your batteries once during the device's lifetime. The system also performs weekly self-checks to monitor battery health and overall functionality. And if there's ever an issue with battery life or device performance, you're going to get alerts both through the device and through the app. Now guys, setting up the system was surprisingly straightforward, and I was impressed by how user-friendly the process is. First of all, you're going to need to download the free Xsense smartphone app from the App Store or the Google Play Store. Now, the app is clean, well designed, and doesn't require any subscription fees, which I've got to say is nice. Now, once you have the app installed, you power up the base station and add it as a device. The app will then guide you through connecting the base station to your Wi-Fi network. You simply select your network from the list and enter your password. The base station connects within a few seconds, and after it's connected, you can start adding the individual smoke alarms. Now, each alarm needs to be added to the app individually. You can assign each one to a specific room in your home. So that's quite neat as well. Now, the physical installation is where the Xsense has made some smart design choices. Each smoke alarm comes with a plastic backplate that screws into your ceiling. Wall plugs are included, so you've got everything you need for a secure installation. But here's the clever part. They also include these magnetic mounting pads as an alternative. These magnetic pads allow you to install the smoke alarms without drilling any holes in your ceiling. And this is perfect for renters or anyone who doesn't want any permanent ceiling damage. The magnetic mount is strong enough to hold the device securely, but you can still remove it easily for battery changes or maintenance. Now, once everything is connected and installed, the real smart features begin to shine. And for me, the most important feature is instant smartphone notifications. When any smoke alarm detects smoke, you get an immediate push notification to your phone. This works whether you're at home, at work, or anywhere else with internet access. The notifications tell you which specific alarm was triggered, so you know exactly where the potential issue is located. And you also get notifications for system faults and low battery warnings. This means you're never going to get caught off guard by a chirping smoke alarm at 3 a.m. because the battery is dying. But guys, notifications are just one part of the alert system, because when smoke is detected, multiple things happen simultaneously. The triggered smoke alarm sounds its built-in 85 decibel buzzer, and at the same time, the base station issues a much louder 100 decibel alarm. In fact, I'm going to show you this for real. Well, I mean, I'm not going to set fire to the studio, right? But I will generate some real smoke. And there you go, guys. Your smartphone receives an instant notification. All the alarms sound together. And I can tell you, this is loud. You even get a notification sent to your registered email address, so no excuses for not knowing you have an issue. The interconnected behavior is similar to hardwired smoke alarm systems, but without the need for all that special wiring. And guys, the wireless range is also impressive. I've tested the system in a 3-story building and connectivity remains strong throughout. And one thing that impressed me about this system is its reliability. Even when the base station goes offline, the smoke alarms continue to function as traditional smoke detectors. Even if your internet goes down, they'll still detect smoke and sound their alarms. You just won't get any smartphone notifications. This is an important safety feature because it means you're not completely dependent on the connectivity for basic fire protection. Testing the system is much easier than traditional smoke alarms also. I mean, normally you'd need to press the test button on each alarm individually, but with the Xsense system, you can test all connected alarms at once by pressing and holding the button on any single unit. Or even better, you can trigger a test of all the alarms remotely from the smartphone app. The system also integrates with other XSense Link Plus and Link Plus Pro products. So if you want to expand your home protection beyond just smoke detection, you can add compatible carbon monoxide detectors, water leak sensors, and other safety devices. All of these devices work together through the same base station and the smartphone app. Also, guys, one aspect I particularly like is the system, as I said before, doesn't require any subscription fees. Some smart home security systems charge monthly fees or app access or whatever, but the XSense system provides all its smart features through a free app with no ongoing costs. That's really nice. So guys, there you have it. The XSense Link Plus Pro smoke alarm system delivers on its main promise: affordable smart fire detection for your entire home. You get reliable smoke detection, smartphone notifications, interconnected alarms, and easy maintenance at a fraction of the cost of some other systems. The magnetic mounting option is a simple setup process, making it accessible to more homeowners than traditional systems. If you're looking for a basic smart smoke detection system without having to break the bank with some smart functionality around it, this system is definitely worth considering. And guys, at the time of this video going live, this 3-unit system with base station is only going to cost you £80. I mean, that's a small price to pay for the safety of your home and your loved ones. Guys, I'll leave any product links and any discounts in the description. And if you have any questions or comments, then please leave them below. And if you like the video, then please give it a thumbs up. It really does make a difference. And if you'd like to see more of my content, then please subscribe and click on that bell icon so you could be notified of new videos. Thanks to you guys for watching, and thanks to XSense for sending me this very useful system to review. I'm Dave with Seeing Through a Lens, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.